So this is the door for my pillow closet. And one of my nephews had this pillow for one of our wedding rings. And I made these when I was a teenager. And I made this when I was in my 20s, I think. Maybe I was a teenager then too. But this is all hand stitched. And then here is the lovely vacuum cleaner from Canada, and it takes up a lot of room. This is not all the parts either. There are a lot of parts in the laundry room. We only have one vacuum cleaner, and it came from Canada. And I only have one light in here for my pillow closet. And I haven't taken these pillows out since I got them, and I kind of wish I did. But this is motion detected. I have to go like this to get the light to work, but when I first open it, it does the same thing. See, there's a light underneath there. Maybe I should put it somewhere else. Like, maybe I should take this off because it just sticks to the, it just sticks to some of the, yeah, that works better because it's closer to a long piece of metal, not little pieces. But Bob got the last piece of shelving at Lowe's, I believe. And the thing is it doesn't have this thing right here for hanging clothes, which I don't do in here. But probably I need to put this in here. We haven't figured out where to put all of the pictures yet in the house since we painted the house, had the house painted last August and September. And we've been hanging up about 4 or 5 pictures a week. And that may seem very, very slow, but it took me a year to do it when I first moved into the house before I even put one picture up. I wanted to see where the light fell, and I wanted to see how I felt about it. Now, a lot of these pillows I have made, and then some of them belong to people that gave the pillows to us as gifts. This over here is a gift. It's a cathedral window pillow that a neighbor gave to me. And I can't say that about many neighbors. But this is a bunny rabbit. And, wow, that fell off. But it came from a thrift store, but I really like the pink. And when I get the sewing room situated, I'll put it in there. So, yeah. I need to do this prettier so that I can enjoy them more. I have a candle wicking one, needlepoint, cross stitch. This right here is the South Carolina coast, which is really interesting to me because my sister used to live in South Carolina. And let me put it so that it's not sideways. But see that? And it's got so many things, ships, and I love this pillow. I don't know anybody that I could give it to. And I'm sure no one wants to buy it because, anyway, I haven't met people who want to buy anything for me. But I have a lot of pretty things that I do use. I just haven't, I've got to get the pictures up on the wall before I start putting pillows out.